Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lee Cuts, and in today's video I have a mid fade with a half guard. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm starting with my half guard closed and going up about an inch from his ear. You don't want to bring your first guideline up too high because you want to give yourself room to stretch out the fade. I do the same steps on this side, and then I'm going to match the line in the back. Next, I go in with my one guard closed and going up about another inch. When I first started fading, the hardest part was getting the left and right side to match. I felt like I would always do one side better than the other side. This is exactly why I fade from one side to the other side instead of completing one whole side of the head and then completing the other side. Leave a comment below about what you struggle with most as you're learning to fade. Next, I take my half guard and close it halfway, and I'm going right in between the line. Always remember, the cleaner you make your guidelines, the cleaner your fade will come out. In the back, I had to close the lever a little more just because back here the hair is very dense and the line wasn't coming out completely. So you just close the lever until you get the line out. Next, I take my one guard open and go up another inch. Next, I take my one guard halfway closed and flick out the line. The more I move down in the fade, the more I close my lever. Next, I take my two guard closed and go up another inch. I follow this line all across the head, and as you can see, it's not completely taking out this line, but I just want to get some of this bulk down. I then take my 1.5 guard closed to continue to flick out this line. Make sure when fading too that you're looking in the mirror, because sometimes the mirror will show you things that your eyes will not see. As you can see, there was still a bit of a line, so I put on my one guard open again just to flick this line out. Right here, I'm doing a little bit of clip over comb just to reduce any bulk. Next, I take my spray bottle and comb my client's hair in the direction that he styles it. My client only wanted a trim, so I start from the left side and just literally taking the ends off and working my way back. I repeat the same thing, and I'm just following my guide and working my way back. Next, I go in with my thinning shears just at the ends of his hair just so it doesn't look so bulky. Next, I blow dry his hair just to lay his hair down into place. My client likes a hard part, so I take my trimmers and gently tap this line and clear out any loose hairs that might be in the way. Next, I shape up his neckline and around his ear, and he wanted to square the back, so that's what I did. I went in one more time with some clip over comb just to knock down these hairs that I felt were sticking up. As you can see, his hair looks a lot flatter now. Next, I add a little shaving gel into the part and clean it up with my straight razor just to make everything really come together. I apologize for this angle, I know you can't see too well. Here I'm just adding some finishing touches. Of course, I do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm just going to double check to make sure everything is even. A quick reminder of how he came in. And now look at him. I brought him back to life. I did it again, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video, guys.